Could you believe me if I told you this abandoned ruin is about to become a $10 million luxury paradise? Everyone told me to tear it down, but I saw a dream hidden under the dust. Welcome back to Architecture Musings, and today we are attempting our most extreme transformation yet. The state of this place was heartbreaking. The structure was weak, the pool was a swamp, and every corner was filled with decay. The biggest challenge? Turning this dark, suffocating layout into an open, modern masterpiece that breathes with the ocean view. Then the real work began. We reinforced the foundation and swapped out solid walls for massive glass facades to invite the horizon inside. The pool area was a nightmare to fix, but we re-engineered it into a stunning infinity pool that literally blends into the sea. You can finally see the vision coming to life. Inside, we went for a minimalist luxury vibe. We used a palette of charcoal, white, and gold accents to match the high-end aesthetic. What was once a dark, forgotten hallway is now a bright, open-plan living space that feels like a 5-star resort. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, from a haunted ruin to the ultimate cliffside sanctuary. Just look at that sunset view. It was a long journey, but every brick was worth it.
So which part of the house you like the most? Tell me in the comment section. And make sure to subscribe, like, share and comment my video.